Okay, are we all ready to make some split pea soup today? We have a pound of dry green split peas, 1 meaty ham bone, a cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of instant chicken bouillon granules, though I like to use the better than bouillon in a jar, 1 cup of sliced carrots, 1 cup of chopped celery, 2 slices of bacon that will crisp up and use as a garnish at the end, a half cup of light cream, 2 tablespoons of butter, a half teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. So I'll have 8 cups of water in a pot. Oh, don't put the carrots in yet. Don't do it. Don't do it. All we want in there right now is the peas, the ham bone, the onion, bouillon granules, and the water, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I had to use ham hocks instead of a ham bone because the stores that I went to didn't have any on hand. But I knew there wasn't going to be very much meat on the ham hocks, so I also got a package of already cubed smoked ham. I like to use the Celtic sea salt, and I have to put it in a salt cellar because it doesn't really come out of a shaker very good, but it's great for recipes and scooping out. Now we need to bring this to a boil. We'll cover it and then reduce the heat and simmer for 1.5 hours and stir it every once in a while. When the 1.5 hours is up, remove the ham bone and dice the meat. You see how much meat was on the ham hocks. It was mostly fat, but it really gives a lot of good flavor to the soup. So I was really glad I had the extra cubed ham to add later. So we take it back to the stove. Now add the meat, and now add the carrots and the celery. This is going to simmer now for 30 minutes. So while this is simmering, go ahead and put your bacon in the microwave or cook it however you normally do. Make it nice and crisp. Now we're going to add the light cream. And the butter. Some people will also put bacon in at this point, but you can either do that or leave it for the end and just use it as a garnish. It's up to your own taste. At this point, all you need to do is heat it through, and it's ready to serve.